How you feeling there, bud?
Excited. Excited. A little scared.
Ready for
excited.
this?
All in all, I think it's going to be a good time.
Oh, hey there, boys. Free parking for being in the competition.
They didn't ask us for any proof.
Yeah.
Yesterday we had this, and they're like, yeah, just tell them and you'll go in. But
No way. Yeah, I paid $10 yesterday. No, I didn't hear the most recent one.
The one that I said to just tell them that you're with the Burnout comp?
No, I didn't hear that. No, I didn't hear that.
I was basically sending you a message to tell them that.
To get free parking.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, looks good, boys.
so basically, we'll probably do some work here first.
The kill switch you took out?
Yep.
I figured that was like a liability of sorts. Yeah.
It stayed here all night, no problems.
It's a good place. I'm sure it got checked out. We should have left a GoPro running on it.
I had an air tag on. I have an air tag on the trailer.
Oh, no way. That's awesome.
What do you think of my wheel choke?
The wheel chock.
Yeah, so I figure we can work on it a little bit here now, and then get online.
Action. Well, good morning. It's the morning of the event. We're getting the truck prepped, and well, we have some immediate problems and then some long-term problems. Yesterday we were able to figure out some things, but not everything, and the big problem that we have is a fuel leak. The top of the fuel pump, which I'll climb in, and we're about to do some applicating too. The beer cans, they're not ours. They happened some point last night, so somebody had a good time. He's brake cleaning it. Izzy's brake cleaning it. I'm gonna try and get it dried off, and then we're gonna flex seal it. We'll start with that. I did buy a whole sending unit for it, but if we don't need to use the $200 sending unit, this works a lot better. Oop, nope. Oops, there's a leaf in it now. That has like an 1/8 inch of flex fuel on it. Now it says it needs to seal for approximately 2 to 6 hours. We can't prime the fuel pump at all. Let's not prime the fuel pump for the next 2 to 6 hours.
Next 2 hours.
The event's in like 3, so We just won't prime the fuel pump for 2 to 6 hours, but we'll do the event at 3, and it'll be fun.
It's 11 now. Tech is at 2, so at 1 we can see if it works.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. We're good for the next 2 hours.
Yeah. Now it's time to walk around, check out some cars, maybe see what this all access pass will get us into. A little backstage action. Check out the cars over there. See the actual YouTubers setting up their stations. Their what are they called? The merch booths. The booths. Yep. All right. All right. So right off the bat, everybody's car is way cooler than ours. I mean, just from a horsepower perspective. You got burning green in the back over there. Let's see if we can get some zoom action in here. You got burning green. You got that S10 burnout truck. Look at that thing over there. I don't even know what that is. Something creeper. Look at this guy. Hey. Where do we need to go? Back to park. Nice to see you, man.
And a blower like that.
Yeah. We got JH. We got Zach's. Is that your Jack stands, white trash.
You gotta see neighbor up close.
Oh, dude, neighbor.
Have a little pace car on display over there.
That is cool. That is absolutely cool.
Yeah, this thing's got front access.
Yep, yep. Is that like
But 2 weeks ago was dirt kicked up, like it was like a sandstorm when we walked out there.
You know, with all the rain that I feel we've gotten in the Northeast, to be dry now and see the dust yesterday.
I know.
Like, wow.
I'm having the humidity went away too for yesterday because it has been absolutely miserable.
It has been miserable.
Our Wednesday race day. Oh.
Would you like to explain what you did to their nice pace car, Brooke?
Nice.
It was really pretty.
It was.
Yesterday. About 24 hours ago.
All right, so I got my buddy Justin parked right next to us. He's doing a burnout in his work daily driver today. Cool truck. This bed is going to break the walls if it touches the walls. So he threw out the idea. He's like, hey, limit the rear end with ratchet straps so you don't get a ton of wheel hop. And we're going to give it a shot, see if we can get that done. We put ratcheting straps on the rear end, got it squatted a little bit. Give her the tap of approval. She's good to go there, bud. Everything looks good to me. Yep, that looks good from here. So we got a driver's meeting in a few minutes. Just last rounds to make sure we got everything we need in our pockets, and yeah, this is awesome. It's about 2:11, so we got 19 minutes to the driver's meeting. Truck's ready. Stickers on the side, American flag on the bed. Everything's hooked up. We haven't done like the last start before the competition. We're about to do that right now. So let's just see if it starts, see what it sounds like. We deleted more of the exhaust system. So, heard something click. All right, Flex Seal, do your thing. Okay, it runs. It has a check engine light for some reason.
If
somebody from overseas wins, get with me. We'll wire that money. If you guys don't want to get a check, I'm more than happy to wire you the money that way also. But Pam will be down there at the trailer end of the night. We will not be waiting for you guys all night. Let's try to do it 30 minutes after competition ends, because we're packing up just as much as everybody else. I know everybody's got things going on, but man, let's try to wrap it up. If we don't catch up with you guys, got your information.
How you feeling there, bud?
Excited. Excited.
A little scared.
Ready for this?
All in all, I think it's going to be a good time.
Hell yeah, brother.
Bottle of vodka, stabilized.
Main bearing came.
We just
That's a
rebuilt
good
that.
sign. Oh yeah. Feeling better about it already. What do you got down here, brother? What's the lineup?
Well, I got an 04 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. It's got a 6.0 and 150 shot of nitrous. We'll see what she's got today.
All right, brother. That's what I like to see. With the number 3 on the side.
Got to represent.
Doing it for Dale. We good? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, the monster truck has been pulled off the pad. So I guess
we are ready for our first opening class contestant.
Where's your phone?
Should probably take this off, huh?
This is Isaac Crosser. He's from DIY Speed, and he is hailing from Kingston, Pennsylvania. This is his 2004 Chevy 25.
Neutral?
Done, brother. You done.
Neutral?
Done.